Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 Can-Am Outlander. This is the 1000R. We've just made this thing street legal here in Utah. Want to check out the kit and how we did it. So with this switch right here, you're going to rock this into the on position. Turn signal to the left. Nice simple switch. We've done a couple different locations for the turn signal lights, giving you good visibility from all the angles. Anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole, you can pull that off. It is a little bit tough on the Outlander, so be careful where you're drilling your holes. And then around the back side, very nice. The kit also comes with a license plate mount and an LED to illuminate the plate at night. Turn signal to the right. It's nice because you can keep your hands up on the bars. Great visibility there as you're cruising down the roadway. And there on the rear. With this kit, you also have the horn function. It's a nice loud horn. 435-427-3338. You can give us a call or shoot us a text at that number. We've also done another video highlighting all of the other accessories on this sweet build. Have a great day, everybody.